Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to save up raider events in Lassie Survival Shooter. In Lassie Survival Shooter, raider events are limited time missions that often offer better rewards than regular stages, including resources, hero XP, and special fragments. A smart strategy is to save these events instead of entering them immediately. While you can freeze time entirely, you can delay triggering a raider mission until the ideal moment. Whether that's when your team is stronger or your gear is better, keep in mind that multiple events can queue if previous ones haven't been played, and there is a cap depending on your level. For example, at lower levels, you might only be able to hold a few events at a time. Events refresh automatically, usually every 8 hours, so planning around these refresh times can maximize your rewards and ensure you get the most out of each raider event. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.